start of our adventure. So Caden, are you ready? Are you ready to hit up this trail? We're leaving the valley right now. We'll be on our way soon. Funny little story here. This gas station, 76, I had to go pee so bad. So bad here. And when I finally was like, oh perfect, I could just stop here and go pee, they had the restrooms closed for coronavirus. We're finally here. Water Wheel Trail. You can already tell by colors of the trees it's gonna be a beautiful trip. What do you think that flag says in that truck? Trump 2020. Oh my god. It literally does.
Look at the rocks up there.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting. It's funny how straight that one layer of rock is.
Yeah.
That literally says Trump 2020. I knew it. It's just a lot less obvious than the other signs.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be flag across the whole thing.
That have like Trump in 500 font size. I don't know if it's a trail, but people have walked through it. Let's see this beautiful stagnant water. Not bad. It's actually a really nice time of year.
Yeah.
Look at that golden tree. Fish?
Yeah, you see the rings.
I'm getting dangerously close to the edge here. Some mini rapids over there. Go fishing then. What? What?
Look at that tree.
What tree?
Branch.
Where? Oh my gosh, you're so right. There's some crazy stuff going on. Wait. What is that? Is that a wasp nest? I'm trying to focus in on it, but of course you know how the camera is. Why are they eating the bark? How odd.
Then he was like super fat too. It's funny. He went like this.
Oh, so he's kind of like you then, right?
Yeah. He went just landed on his back and he's on the floor like, yeah. Just screaming the mic.
Seems very violent. Caden, you want to cross that bridge? I dare you to cross that. No? Alright, I'll hold that. We'll see if you can make it. Your balance better be good. Oh my god. Ah, you said nah.
I stepped on it and it started sinking down.
One love. Don't you love when people just vandalize rocks? It's a nice beach. Dude, this is probably the softest sand I've ever felt. Very clean. Ooh, I could tell this is gonna be a nice view. Swim across, I'll give you $5. Alright, bet. Now this would be a nice fishing spot.
Or a place to live, like dig a hole out right there.
Yeah, would be nice. That rock looks very comfy to be sitting on right now.
Yeah. This is perfect for tonight.
No, I don't know, man. It doesn't seem that deep. It's pretty shallow water. We found a hidden statue in this little enclave. What do you think it is?
Well, look up here.
There's quarters. I'm assuming an offering, maybe? Huh. Oh, I think that's a rosary. thinking this is for Christians, maybe. Don't take those quarters, clearly. That's pretty disrespectful. Just letting you know in case you were like, hey, Dairy Queen after? Kind of sucks if somebody spray painted that though. I don't even know where to go. This way, follow me. This way. Got this, Caden. So what's it like being in Waterfall Land?
Awesome.
Awesome? That's what I thought. Hey, I didn't even notice. Look at that rock.
I know, I was looking at that earlier.
Balancing precariously on that other rock. Pretty sweet. Gotta go down this pit to get to the waterfall. No?
There's another way.
No, there's not. I promise that's the only way, is going down this evil pit.
Let's go check. Let's just, some people will come back.
Okay. Caden told me a ghost story about a Flying Dutchman who used to haunt these parts. Isn't that right, boy?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We got Haunted Waterfall where Flying Dutchman took his final plunge into the abyss. Wearing my cool kid shoes today, which I regret because I just ate shit earlier on part of the trail. Fell right into the water. So do you think that big waterfall we saw earlier was the biggest one? I'm kind of thinking so.
Unless there's another one up here.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Seems slightly unlikely, but we'll find out. More gay spray paint. Hey, that's some more water. Maybe this is the big one. I think it said it's a mile and 3/4, which is basically 2 miles. That's how long the trail is. I don't know if the waterfall is supposed to be at the end or if that's just the trail in general. But either way, there's some more water over there. Yeah, I'm starting to think this is the end of the trail, doggy. I mean, there's more water, of course, but there's not like a lot of ways to get to it unless we want to go bushwhacking, which I'm going to pass on that. Oh wait, look, another trail.
Okay, look.
Hey, look, more thorns to stab us. I don't see why everyone doesn't just move to northern Arizona. It's so much better.
It's horrible.
No, it's not. Bullshit. Bruh. I'll tell you right now that the valley is way worse than this. I would rather take this. Our patience, perseverance, and determination has paid off. And now, we have come to the final piece of the trail. This magnificent waterfall. I don't think that's a big one, Caden. What do you think?
No.
But it's still cool. This would be a nice place to swim.
Oh no, dude, you can't see the bottom. Cliff jumping. Off the top. Off of that.
Off of that?
Onto here.
Into here? Yeah, I mean, I don't see why not. First, I think we'd have to have one of us swim down to the bottom.
No, I'd say throw a rock. We can hear something.
Yeah, you're gonna hear it splash. No, swim down to the bottom. See if you could touch it. If you can't touch it after like 3 seconds, it's probably good to jump. How much do you think Patrick pays in rent for that rock? Probably
He built it.
He built this rock under the sea.
No, like he probably moved here and dug it all out and stuff.
So you think his furniture bill is 0 because he buys all, or he builds all this furniture?
Yeah.
What about food?
He eats sand. He didn't see it.
Wow, what a terrible way to live. Everything is sand. No, he eats Krabby Patties too.
Yeah, yeah. But his friend works there. He probably gets it for free.
Hey, that's the benefits of being friends with a sponge. So, Caden,
Yeah.
if you were to rate this trip out of 10, what would you give it?
If there were no pictures, 10, but they showed a picture of a huge waterfall and we saw no waterfall, so 7.
In case I fall, you need to get this one. Ready?
Yeah. Nope.
You ready for the biggest challenge?
What?
I'll give you a crisp $5 bill if you dunk your face into the stream. $5 is on the line. Will you do it? It's super crisp. Look how new that is.
Let these people pass.
Let these people pass? Okay. Yeah, you're right. We don't want them to see this crime we're about to commit. It's easy. You don't even have to take, you don't have to get your hair wet. You just got to dunk your face in there. Dude, look at the back of your hat.
It's all soaked.
Yeah.
I'll
Here
take that
you
money.
go. Here's your $5
Thank
for
you.
your Robux.
It was nice. Free money.
All right, where do I want to do this?
You should do where I did and just push up in.
Okay.
It's like a perfect setup.
I don't know where you're gonna go to get this. But... My bones. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
That was kind of cold.
Yeah. Don't drink any.
Lemonade.
I said don't.